Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download Vintage Story on your PC and laptop in 2026. So how to do this, let's get started. First, what you need to do is get over to this website vintagestory.at and then scroll down a bit till you find this button which says buy now for 20 euros. Click on this and then select your account. For my case, I'm gonna go with single game account. Then click on add to cart and then fill out your payment methods. Click on checkout, then enter your payment method, and then it would be added to your library. You can just play and download it in your PC and then you'll be able to play it. So yeah, this is how you can do it, guys. If your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.